Yes, plumbers should absolutely leave behind maintenance tips after every job, because it helps homeowners avoid repeat problems and keeps the plumbing system running smoothly for years to come. Think of your plumbing system like a body. It needs regular checkups to stay healthy, and a plumber who just fixes the leak and leaves without explaining anything is like a doctor who treats a symptom but never tells you how to stay well. When a plumber shows you things like how to shut off your main water valve, how often to flush your water heater, or how to spot early signs of a hidden leak, you are learning skills that can save you hundreds of dollars down the road. One thing most people do not know is that many water heaters should be flushed at least once a year to remove sediment buildup, and that sediment is actually one of the biggest reasons water heaters fail early. A good plumber will also point out small clues like a slow drain or a faint musty smell that can be signs of a much bigger problem forming behind your walls. Leaving behind these tips turns a homeowner from someone who just reacts to emergencies into someone who prevents them. This kind of education builds trust, and it usually means that homeowner will call that same plumber again in the future. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming that if nothing looks wrong, nothing is wrong, but plumbing issues often start small and hidden, so ask your plumber directly what warning signs to watch for. Another misconception is thinking maintenance tips are only useful for older homes, when in reality, even brand new plumbing systems benefit from things like knowing where your shutoff valves are located. A lot of people also forget to write down or save the advice they are given, so it is smart to take a quick picture or note of any tips the plumber shares so you actually remember and use them later. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.